Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited. Why? Because I'm co-hosting my first ever peak performance event alongside Casita Properties. We cannot wait to get this started because we wanted to bring entrepreneurs, business owners, like-minded people, just positive vibes all around into one room, bring along incredible speakers to inspire, motivate and pump people up, which is what we are going to do tonight in London. Over 70 people, cannot wait. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you along for the journey because this is all new for me. I'm super excited, as you can probably tell, and basically we just want to offer as much value to everyone who turns up. And if you want to get involved, connect with me on Instagram, drop me a DM and you can come along to the next event. So you're going to see behind the scenes footage, what's happening, guest speakers, whilst it's all going on, there's food, there's drink and so much more. So stick around, do not go anywhere because this is going to be an incredible evening.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Hey everyone, so here we are at the first event. This is the venue. I'm just going to show you around. We've got the screen up there, we've got the chairs being set up, awesome signage for peak performance, courtesy of Nick, and I'll tag him in. So this is the first event we're just setting up. Really excited. We've got Abby, we've got Raj, another one of our sponsors for the event, and yeah, just super excited. So we're just setting up. I'm just gonna get Paul.
Oh yeah, nice to meet you.
Hey, here's the other co-host. It's gonna be an awesome night. Gonna get some more footage and a lot to do, so let's get on.
I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess.
So, suited and booted, wearing his hoodie. I keep looking there, but it's actually there. It's an awesome event. How have we found it so far?
It's been amazing. Much better than I thought, better than expected. Everyone's loving the content, and I think it's exactly why we created the event, really.
Yeah, it's gone really well. I mean, as you can see, like behind us and round the corner at the back, amazing turnout. So, going to look forward to doing many more. And we've still got half the night rest. We've got a live podcast. We're going to capture some of that as well, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. Happy days.
Definitely.
Cool. So we've wrapped up for today. It's been an incredible event. We had something like 64, 65 people. As you can see, the networking is finishing. We did like a live podcast, and if you see it behind me there, we've got the mics up. It's been an incredible event, one of many, and can't wait to share it with you. And all the promo footage is going to be on Instagram, so go connect with me on there. And until next time, we'll see you all very soon.